foods, satisfy our senses, appeal to our minds, and enrich our souls. Though simple, the dish that I'm going to be making today means all this to me and more. So let's get started with it. I have over here about 1.5 cups, which is about 280 to 300 grams of basmati rice that has been soaked for about 30 minutes, drained and then cooked with about 2/4 to 2.5 cups of water. Next, I'm going to turn on the flame and put in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of urad dal and 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds start to pop and crackle and the dal turns golden brown, I'm going to put in a few curry leaves. Half a teaspoon of yellow asafoetida powder or heng, 2 teaspoons salt or to taste. Give it a quick stir. And then I'm going to put in one of my favorite ingredients, freshly grated coconut. I simply love coconut and use it whenever a recipe calls for it. Now I'm going to stir this on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now is the perfect time to put in the rice. This is a very old recipe dating back to thousands of years. Now I'm going to quickly fry some cashews. 1 tablespoon of ghee. And once the ghee melts, I'm going to put in some cashews. Then I need to fry them until they are golden brown in color. I'm using cashews here, but you could also substitute the cashews with peanuts. Now I'm all set to serve my rice. Now I'm going to scatter these golden brown cashews all over the rice. And there you have it, my coconut rice studded and adorned with golden brown cashews. I love to serve this dish with sundal or usli to make it a complete balanced meal. You can pack it up in a lunch box, serve it in a dinner party, or even make this your weekday meal. So if you liked watching me make this dish, do not forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.